All right, here we have the host reach managed security dashboard. I do see some alerts have popped up on the screen. For a demo here that I have, I want to show the multi-tenant Elastic deployment as well as the AI assistant, which is one of the new features that have been recently released by Elastic. So the first thing we'll do is you'll see here is the host reach managed security dashboard. Here's my host reach central space, and here's the client one space. So here's where you would have all of your clients, all of your different tenants, which have a separate deployment in Elastic Cloud. So each one of these tenants would have their own deployment with their own data segregated and their own respective space would also be just displaying the data that's already ingested. So client one, I'll switch over to that space and I'll take a look at these alerts. And it's within the security. One of the cool things, like I was saying, is the Elastic AI that has been built in now in the later versions of Elastic. So if you have a junior or less experienced analyst, this can be a very handy tool for them, right? So we'll go to these alerts. I'll change this to the last 7 days. By the way, my computer is a little slow, so when the AI assistant comes up, it's going to be a little bit slow here. So here's the usernames that were created. Some users were created. Some groups were also created. When you click on the View Details, it'll provide you a little sliding detail section here, and also the chat icon here will, when you click on it, it'll open up the AI assistant. So I've already run this, but basically what I did is you can add this alert from the summary that you've highlighted. You add it as a context, right? And then you ask your question, which I did that, which is what's the next step for this alert? And as you see here, the assistant said, basically, here's the rule that triggered this alert. Here's your next steps. You need to, validate this, investigate it using the IRP, right? And it gives a very generic but good next steps, I think. And especially this can be true for less experienced SOC analysts, right? And this is a very straightforward, user account creation rule that has been triggered. But you have some other rules that when they do generate an alert, they may not be so straightforward, right? So you could also ask to summarize the rule and also provide the next steps, right? So I wanted to just show this, which is built in already. You have to integrate it with your AI. So we've integrated it with our own, with the OpenAI token. So it doesn't work out of the can. You still need to just provide the API key. And obviously you need to have an OpenAI account with, I guess, paid, right? So this is what it is. I wanted to show the multi-tenancy. I wanted to show the AI that also is helping us to generate reports for the alerts that have been triggered in the last month or so, and also how we can use it internally to help us to determine what's the next action on this.